Ready to unlock the secrets of uploading YouTube Shorts from your PC? Look no further, because in this video, we're about to reveal the ultimate shortcut for making your shorts stand out on YouTube. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of uploading a YouTube short video from your computer. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the YouTube website. Make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. Then, go to your channel page by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. On your channel page, you'll find a plus icon button at the top right corner. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Video. Now, click on the Select Files button and browse your computer to find the short video you want to upload. You can also drag and drop the video into the upload area. And YouTube Shorts must be under 60 seconds in duration. Videos over 60 seconds are considered long-form content. YouTube Shorts should be in a 9:16 aspect ratio, which is a vertical or portrait format. Below the video, you can add the video title and a description. Make it catchy and informative to attract viewers. Scroll down the page to find the restriction section. Click on it, and when asked if your video is made for kids, click on No, it's not made for kids. Click the Next button to proceed. Here, you can add subtitles or related video content if desired. This step is optional. After that, click Next to reach the copyright checking section. YouTube will check if your video contains any copyrighted content. In the last step, you can set the visibility of your video. You have 3 options: public, unlisted, and private. Select Public if you want your video to be visible to everyone, then click Publish. You've successfully uploaded a YouTube short video from your PC. It's a great way to share engaging content with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.